Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How are you doing today? Today is October the 3rd, 2025. It is about 6:30 a.m. In today's episode of The Experimental Gardener, we are going to be planting blood orange seeds. That's right, blood orange seeds. Yay! Guys, I have to show you something. Yep. So the method that I actually used to actually start my seeds was the boiling water shock. And as you can see, that is a root, baby. That is a root right there. I love this method in starting these seeds because it does not take long at all. Most of them do have the tails on them. Some don't, which is still okay. Let me show you one more. That is the good one. Uh-oh. Oops. On the floor it went. Now let's see if I can find it. Yep. Okay. That would happen during my video. But I do want to show you the seed. There it goes. Can you see it? Right there. So, yay! I had them soaking in the boiling hot water for 2 days, changing it every day, okay? In here, I have some seed starting mix, which is just potting soil, no sand in here at all. So what I'm going to do is start putting them in the dirt with the tails or the roots down. Make sure. Giving them a little space in between, you know, so that once they do germinate, I'll be able to easily take them apart without crowding people in one area. That's a fat one. That's 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10 is what I'm going to put in this particular pot. See? And I'm just going to push them down in the dirt without adding more soil to this. I think this is enough just to start the seeds. And just cover them like so. Yep, I'm getting my plants started for next year. Yeah, getting started early. I want to give these guys a good 6-month start. You know? Okay. Now, I do have my label. I like to label, and I actually put how many seeds I have inside of the pot, just to make sure, so I can actually remember how many I planted and how many actually came up. I don't like the way that looks. going to do also. Take my cling wrap. Do like this. I just rip it. I want to make sure I just have it over the top. I don't do no fancy way of this. I'm going to kind of like make sure it's tight on the back by just, you know, rolling it together. Like so. Then I also put my finger there. My tape gun. Get a piece of tape. Seal it. Like so. And this will go into my grow tent and watch for germination. All right? All right. So I'm going to plant the rest of these little seeds in the other one. And then if you guys want to, come back with me in a minute. I'm going to be starting my start anise seeds as well. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.